Bike self-start not working? Stop right there. Before going to a mechanic, try this simple fix that most riders ignore. Check ignition first. Is it in neutral? Most people miss this. First, check your ignition switch and make sure the bike is in neutral. Many bikes won't start in gear. If still not working, open the side panel and check your battery connections carefully. Loose or dirty battery wires can stop the self-start completely. This is a very common issue. Tighten the wires properly and make sure the connection is strong and clean. Now press the self-start again. If it works, you fixed it yourself. Follow Transport Fix Pro for more real fixes.